Hey guys, welcome back to Claudie Cooks. Today we are going to cook a dish inspired by my trip to Malaga. Some delicious garlic prawns. All of the ingredients used in this dish will be listed in the link below. Just to note, the prawns were washed and deveined before cooking. Let's get started with prepping the orange and the garlic. The orange is to add some zest to the dish. Time to add some olive oil and 3 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes for color and richness. Time to add some butter for richness and flavor. Yes, I'm happy. Here comes the star of the show, the big prawns. Yes, you can see that I've deveined them, and this is how it should look once it's been done. Add a bit more olive oil over the prawns, followed by some seasoning of black pepper, salt, some ground ginger and chili powder. Some paprika and some saffron for color. Give it a little mix to combine everything. Time to add the feta cheese. I'm using only half, and then we're going to put it in the oven that's been preheated at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. I wish you could smell this. This smells really lovely and it reminds me of my holiday. tasted this and it needed a little bit more salt, so I'm adding a bit of salt and a bit more black pepper, followed by some chopped parsley and a bit of olive oil to finish the dish. Just for presentation, I'm adding a bit of lemon slices, an orange and a squeeze of lemon for added freshness. And there you have it, guys. Enjoy some sunshine on a plate.